Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 and I'm gonna show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. First thing we need to do is to turn off our device. To do it, simply press and hold the power button, tap on the power off option and then tap on it again to confirm. After the device turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume up button together. We need to press and hold both of them, so volume up and power. Let's press and hold both buttons, keep holding them. And once the recovery mode appears on the screen, this menu, you can release both buttons. Okay, as you can see, we entered the recovery menu. We can move through this menu by using the volume up and volume down buttons, like that, and confirm the selections by pressing the power button. In this menu, we have options like Reboot System Now, Reboot to Bootloader, Apply Update from ADB, Apply Update from SD card, Wipe Data / Factory Reset, Wipe Cache Partition, Mount / System, View Recovery Logs, Run Graphics Test, Run Local Test, Power Off, and Repair Apps. If you want to exit this menu, simply select either Power Off or Reboot System Now, depending on what you want to do with your device. If you select Power Off, the tablet will turn off. And if you select Reboot System Now, the tablet will basically reboot into system. Okay, so select one of the options and then press the power button to confirm. And that's how you enter the recovery mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.